The project I'm showing you today is how to make seed packets that look something like this. Very small. Actually, you can make these any size. I am using some computer stationery. It's thicker than standard paper, but still not as thick as cardstock. So the basic process is to cut the paper for this particular technique. Cut the paper into squares. They have to be perfect squares. Mine happen to be like 4x4 squares. And I'm going to do a stack at a time. So I have one already cut and I'm just following the same pattern of that one. Okay, that's that. So now I have perfect squares. This one you can see I've already started on and I have a little template. So I take this and the square and create a triangle. Fold it over from one end to the other end to create a triangle. Fold the end of the triangle in, the other side of the triangle in, and then we're going to tuck it into the first side, like such. Now you have basically a tiny little envelope with a flap at the top. Okay. And you can fill it there. At this point is the best time to go ahead and write what you're going to put in here and the date. And I'm just going to do this really quickly. You can be as fancy as you want. Use all kind of pretty pens. Today, this is February 2021, and that's all I need. Now I'm just going to fill my packet with some seeds, and I'm not counting. I'm not selling these. These are for my own purposes. I may give a few to some friends. There you go, tiny little seed packet. Fold the top flap down. And technically at this point it's secure, but if you want to secure it even more, you can use washi tape like I did in this case, and I just put washi tape across the entire thing. And that's it. Seed packets. Eco-friendly, sustainable, and free.